tell me who I should be. I'm just me, and I'm okay with that. I've been to hell and back, and now I've got nothing to hide. I'm on my own side, and that's alright, that's alright. Let it go, let it go, and this time it's for me. Life pulls you along like a waterfall, and here I am holding on. The seasons come and go, I've seen enough to know that I'm okay on my own. I know I have a lot to learn, that's no big surprise. I'll figure it out myself this time.